Working from home is the new normal for many of us. And of course that's a challenge when it comes to your home and the space you live in. And this home we're going to talk about today is an open plan home. So we had to come up with ideas and solutions for how to have two working spaces for the people that lives here, but also working spaces for friends and family that also comes and joins them in this house. One lesson I want you to take away with you from this home is to divide an open space into different zones so you can have different activities in the same kind of room. So we have two set workstations, one for the man living in the house. He works as an accountant, so he only needed one set desk with a comfortable chair. The woman that lives here, she is an illustrator, so she has a sit and stand desk with a stool that you can raise and put lower. And more areas in this home that we wanted to include was of course a comfortable living area, both for themselves to hang out and also to have easy coffee breaks when a lot of people are working together. We included a large dining table that has work chairs and normal dining chairs, so you can sit comfortable when coming to work into this space. We have added in trolleys into the space so they easily can pack away their things when they leave for the night. We also have a library area which is both used for working and just hanging out, where they both have the storage for all their books, memories from trips and decorating items. And we added glass doors so you have a dust-free space. And if it's possible, I do recommend to have a space in your home, especially then the bedroom, to be completely computer and telephone free, to be able to relax, hang out and sleep really well.